Hello everyone, my name is Mulutra Enoch and we're going to revise Mathematics Paper 1, the paper that was written by the external candidate in 2019 under Earth Geometry. They are saying the diagram below shows the points A having 60 degrees north, 30 degrees west, point B having 30 degrees south, 30 degrees west, and point C having 30 degrees south, 75 degrees east. And then they are saying A, if the local time at B is 15 hours, what is the local time at C? So we can start answering. So one thing that you should bear in mind is that whenever someone is moving from west to east, the time keeps on what? Increasing. So west to east, the time keeps on increasing, and then east to west, the time keeps on what? Decreasing. That simply means that you are subtracting, and then there you are adding. So they are telling us to find the time that was at C when an individual moved from B to C. So first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to correct the position. Always start with the latitude, that is 30 degrees south, the longitude of B, that is 30 degrees west, and then see where we are going, that is 30 degrees south, and then its longitude, that is 75 degrees east. So same size, you do what? Subtract. So mean that you're going to cancel these two, and then different side you do what? You add, that is 30 plus 75 degrees. You're going to obtain, that is 5, then 7 plus 3, that is 10 degrees. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to say 1 hour. In 1 hour there is 15 degrees. Then you have calculated the angular difference, which is 105 degrees. So from there you just cross multiply. So having 15x is equals to 105 degree. Now divide by 15, divide by 15. So there you're having. So this is mathematics paper 1. So you're not supposed to use a calculator. So just find the lowest number that you can divide, so that the number become easy. So 5 there, 5 into 15, that is 3, 5 into 10, that is 2, and then 5 there, that is 1. So x is equals to 7 hours. So we are moving from B to what? To C. So it means that the time keeps on increasing. So therefore 15 hours should be added to what? 07 hours. When you add, you're going to obtain. So when you add that plus that, you're going to obtain 12. Add 1, so 1 plus 1, that is 2. That was 22 hours. So it means that the time when this man was moving from point B to C, the time was at 22 hours. So we proceed to the next question. So B, they are saying if it takes a plane 6 hours to fly from A to B, what is the speed in knots? So one thing that you should bear in mind is that when the speed is in knots, it means that the distance should be in Newton miles. So you are going to correct the position of A and B. So the position of A, so A is lying in what? In 60 degrees. So that is A, which is lying in 60 degrees north, comma, the longitude that is 30 degree west. And then B that is 30 degree south, comma what? 30 degree west. So same, you do what? Subtract. So from there you're just going to add, because they are having different side. So that is 30 plus 60, which is 90 degrees. So distance in nautical miles, AB is equals to theta times what? 60, which is 90 times what? 60. So we are going to have so we are going to obtain 5,400 nautical miles. Then you said, therefore speed is equals to distance over what? Time. So the distance that you have calculated, that is 5,400 nautical miles, over the time that was given, it was 6 hours. So your speed is going to be, when you divide there, you're going to obtain, so you're going to obtain 900 knots as your speed. So these are the possible solutions that were supposed to be there. So please don't forget to share, also subscribe, so that whenever I post the new video, you're able to see and watch. See you in the next video.